A is for apple, red and round, rolling happily on the ground. B is for ball, bouncing high, up it goes into the sky. C is for cat, soft and small, chasing yarn along the wall. D is for duck, quack quack sound, waddling feet go round and round. E is for elephant, big and gray, spraying water as it plays. F is for fish, shiny and blue, swimming fast the whole day through. G is for goat, jump and hop, climbing rocks up to the top. H is for hen, cluck cluck cheer, calling little chicks near. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, melting softly in the heat. J is for juice, orange bright, sipped with joy, such a delight. K is for kite, fly free, dancing with the breeze we see. L is for lion, loud and proud, roaring softly, not too loud. M is for monkey, swing and play, laughing all the day away. N is for nest, cozy and tight, birdie sleeping day and night. O is for owl, big round eyes, watching stars in moonlit skies. P is for panda, black and white, eating bamboo with delight. Q is for queen, kind and fair, waving gently everywhere. R is for rabbit, quick and fast, hopping by the grassy path. S is for sun, warm and bright, smiling from the morning light. T is for tiger, sleepy and strong, walking softly all along. U is for umbrella, open wide, keeping raindrops from our side. V is for van, rolling slow, taking toys where kids can go. W is for whale, big and blue, splashing waves in ocean view. X is for xylophone, tap tap tune, music plays from morn to noon. Y is for yak, furry and tall, walking calmly over all. Z is for zebra, black and white, running freely out of sight.